if you've ever had some breakouts and you really just need something to really work on an acne breakout situation, this is my review of my 5% salicylic acid that I recently had to purchase because I had a huge inflammation of acne. So I picked up this 5% solution. It's a gentle exfoliating serum or mask, and it promotes clearer skin, treats your blackheads, acne, and your clogged pores. So this has been great to have under my sink whenever I have a little spot or a blemish or the massive eruption that I had recently. I was able to use this product, and it's great. This is a 5% clarifying serum, salicylic acid. It's a great addition to have in your cabinet, just in case, if for yourself, for menopausal women like myself, or if you have any teenagers in your home that have it. All they have to do is just a little spot touch at night before bed, and that will help clear up that acne. It helps with hyperpigmentation and premature aging. I absolutely love it. It really is a good thing to have in your cabinet. Put it in your cart today.